Hey, my loves, it's your girl, MY, and today we're diving deep into time management for all you amazing virtual assistants out there. Being a VA is an amazing gig, but juggling multiple clients and deadlines can feel like a full-time job in itself. In this video, we'll cover essential tips and strategies to help you manage your time effectively. Are you ready? Let's do this. First things first, we need to talk about the foundation of time management, your daily schedule. A well-structured schedule is the backbone of productivity. It helps you stay focused, prioritize tasks, and manage your time efficiently. Create a roadmap for your day that empowers you to get more done while feeling energized. This roadmap should include all your tasks, meetings, and even breaks to ensure you maintain a healthy balance. Start by grabbing your favorite planner or digital calendar. Whether you prefer a physical notebook or a digital app, choose a tool that you are comfortable with and that suits your lifestyle. Brain dump every single task you need to accomplish for the day. This includes both work-related tasks and personal errands. Getting everything out of your head and onto paper or a screen can be incredibly freeing. Assign specific time slots for each task and schedule in breaks. This helps you stay on track and ensures that you have time to rest and recharge between tasks. Remember, your schedule is your guide, not your jailer. Adjust as needed. Flexibility is key to maintaining productivity without feeling overwhelmed. If something unexpected comes up, don't hesitate to rearrange your tasks. One of the biggest challenges for VAs is managing multiple clients at once. It can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can handle it all smoothly. Communication is key. Be clear with each client about your availability and deadlines. Regular updates can help manage expectations and build trust. Set those boundaries early on and stick to them. This ensures you have enough time to dedicate to each client without feeling stretched too thin. Use project management tools like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com to keep all your client projects organized. These tools can help you track progress and meet deadlines efficiently. Batch similar tasks together to increase efficiency. This way you can focus on one type of task at a time, reducing the mental load of switching between different activities. Focus on a select few clients and deliver exceptional work. Quality over quantity will help you build a strong reputation and long-term relationships. It's okay to say no, avoid spreading yourself too thin. Taking breaks and managing your workload effectively will help you stay productive and avoid burnout. Time tracking magic unlocking your productivity powerhouse. Time tracking tools like Toggl and Clockify can be game changers. They provide invaluable insights into your work habits and help you optimize your workflow. Use the data to identify time-wasting activities and make smarter decisions about your work hours. Bye-bye distractions, creating a focus fortress. Create a dedicated workspace that signals to your brain it's time to work. Invest in noise-cancelling headphones if you're easily distracted. Set boundaries with loved ones to ensure focus time. Schedule regular breaks to reset and re-energize. You'll come back feeling refreshed and ready to tackle tasks. Prioritize like a pro, conquering your to-do list with confidence. It's all about mastering the art of prioritization and time management. When you know what to focus on, you can achieve more with less stress. Enter the Eisenhower Matrix. This powerful tool helps you categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. By dividing your tasks into 4 quadrants, you can clearly see what needs your immediate attention and what can wait. Top left quadrant, urgent and important tasks. Tackle these first. These are your critical tasks that require immediate action. Completing these will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you on track. Top right quadrant, important but not urgent tasks. Schedule time for these. These tasks are essential for your long-term goals. By planning ahead, you ensure they get the attention they deserve without the pressure of urgency. Bottom left quadrant, urgent but not important tasks. Delegate or say no. These tasks can be distractions. Delegate them to others or simply say no to keep your focus on what truly matters. Bottom right quadrant, neither urgent nor important. Eliminate these. These tasks are time wasters. Removing them from your list will free up your time for more meaningful activities. With the right prioritization strategies, you can conquer your workload. By focusing on what truly matters, you can work more efficiently and effectively, reducing stress and increasing productivity. Feel like the total rockstar VA you are. Embrace these strategies and watch your productivity soar. Celebrate your successes and keep pushing forward with confidence. You've got this time management mastery unlocked. We've covered some serious ground today. From creating a killer schedule to mastering prioritization, you're now armed with the tools to take control of your time. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content on productivity and time management. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Stay organized and make the most of your time.